Alright you guys, so I figured that it's about time that I do another science video since I haven't done one in a while. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of time to research and process and do something really interesting and cool. So I'm just going to read you some really cool facts about the human brain. You ready? Here you go. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds, and for their body mass, humans have the largest brain of all animals. Even though you could say, an elephant's brain is bigger than ours is. Our brain takes up 2% of our entire body weight, as opposed to elephants, it's 0.15%. So, we have big brains. Kids who learn more than one language before they turn 5 actually have a different brain structure from those of us who don't. Their brain is actually denser than those of us who only know one language before we were 5. While you're awake, your brain generates between 10 and 23 watts of energy. That's enough energy to power a light bulb. That old thing about how humans only use about 10% of their brain, that's not true. They've found every part of our brain has a function. Some function, even if we don't understand how it works. This one hits close to home for those of us who were at prom. Tinnitus, that ringing in your ears that they used to say was from actual parts of your ear? They now think that it's actually caused by something in your brain, so that's interesting. Every time you recall a memory or have a new thought, you're creating a new connection in your brain. Estrogen promotes better memory functions! 5 minutes after you wake up, half of your dream is gone. In 10 minutes, 90% of it is gone. That explains why we can never remember dreams an hour after they happen. Laughing requires 5 parts of your brain. People who are ambidextrous, they can use both hands, they're supposed to have a corpus callosum that's 11% bigger than those of us who aren't. You guys probably know this, but scent is the strongest connection that you have to your memories. So if you smell something, that's going to be the closest, the most intimate tie that you have with some of your memories. It stimulates memory easier than all the other senses. Your brain doesn't have any pain receptors, so you can't actually be in pain by something that's happening to your brain. So if people say you're hurting my brain, they're actually being stupid, and I know that's the point, but just so you know, your brain can't feel pain.